Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to delete all system restore points in Windows 11. In Windows 11 operating system, Microsoft offers System Restore Point, which comes in handy when you want to revert your system to an earlier state in case you are facing any issues with the working of the OS. This tool can quickly roll back the operating system to a previous functional state. Go to Taskbar Search, type Control Panel, click on it to open. Go to Recovery. Click on Configure System Restore. A new window will open. Go to System Protection. Click on Configure. A new window will open. Click on Delete. Click on Continue in the pop-up window. The restore points were deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!